Well, howdy, folks. Today we're talking about a pineapple turmeric juice recipe that's great for allergy relief. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps fight inflammation and reduces allergy symptoms with its anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic properties. Turmeric and quercetin, a natural antioxidant found in many fruits and veggies, can also help ease redness, itchy eyes, and other allergy symptoms. What you'll need is 1 pineapple, peeled and cut into chunks, 2 oranges peeled and sliced, 1 apple cored and sliced, 1 lemon peeled and sliced, a 2-inch piece of turmeric root unpeeled, or 1 tablespoon of ground turmeric and 1 or 2 tablespoons raw honey. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Juice the fruits. Run the pineapple, oranges, apple, and lemon through a juicer to extract their juice. Step 2. Juice the turmeric. Add the turmeric root to the juicer. If using ground turmeric, stir it into the juice later. Step 3. Sweeten the juice. Stir in 1 or 2 tablespoons of raw honey to taste. Step 4. Serve and store. Pour 1. Serving to enjoy right away. Label and date the rest, then refrigerate it in a sealed bottle for up to 2 days. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, we'll show you the way to live life better day by day.